TikTok is everywhere. It's the hottest social media platform right now. Millions of people use it every day. They watch, share, and create short, fun videos. You know what's even cooler? You can make money on TikTok. That's right. People are turning their creativity into cash. They're building huge followings and partnering with brands. It takes effort and time, but it can be very rewarding. Think of it like this. You're sitting on a goldmine of opportunity. All you need are the right tools and strategies. That's what we're going to explore in this guide. Get ready to learn how to turn your TikTok passion into profit. So, how do you actually make money on TikTok? There are a few main ways. First, you can land brand deals and sponsorships. Companies pay you to feature their products in your videos. Second, there's the TikTok Creator Fund. This is a program that pays you directly based on your video views. Third, you can sell your own merchandise. T-shirts, hats, phone cases, anything with your brand on it. And that's not all. You can also use TikTok to promote your other businesses, like online courses or coaching services. The possibilities are endless. Brand deals are a popular way to monetize your TikTok presence. Here's how it works. A company pays you to promote their product or service in your videos. This could be anything from a clothing brand sponsoring your fashion videos to a food company sending you free snacks to review. The key is to partner with brands that align with your niche and values. Your audience trusts your opinion, so make sure you genuinely like the products you're promoting. Don't be afraid to reach out to brands yourself. A well-crafted pitch can go a long way. As your following grows, brands may even start approaching you. Section 4. TikTok Creator Fund. Get paid directly. The TikTok Creator Fund is a program that pays creators directly based on their video views and engagement. It's a great way to earn money from your content without having to secure brand deals. To be eligible for the Creator Fund, you need to meet certain criteria, such as having a minimum number of followers and video views. Once you're accepted, TikTok will track your video performance and pay you accordingly. The more views and engagement you get, the more you earn. It's important to note that the Creator Fund payouts can vary, so don't rely on it as your sole source of income. However, it's a fantastic way to supplement your earnings and get rewarded for your creativity. Section 5. Merchandise and more. Other ways to earn. Selling merchandise is a great way to monetize your TikTok following and build your brand. Think about what your audience would love to buy. T-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, stickers, you name it. You can create an online store and promote your products directly through your TikTok videos. Use creative videos to showcase your merch and offer exclusive discounts to your followers. Beyond merchandise, you can also use TikTok to promote your other businesses or services. Are you a musician? Share snippets of your songs and direct viewers to your streaming platforms. Are you a fitness coach? Post workout tips and offer online training programs. Get creative and think outside the box. Section 6. Keep creating and stay true to yourself. Making money on TikTok takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep creating high-quality content that you're passionate about and engage with your followers authentically. Remember, the most successful TikTok creators are those who stay true to themselves and build genuine connections with their audience. So find your niche, be yourself, and have fun. The world of TikTok is yours to explore. Go out there, crush it, and turn your creativity into a thriving business.